welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Soapy Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ngamalanga awafani ngestoryline sika Sabelo uKenosi kanye ke no husband kaKenosi ke osanda ke kuveza ukuthi ke kahle uKenosi uno husband unomyeni. So uSabelo ko uthe mangena icall kaKenosi wathi uyalunguza wabona ukuthi husband then kusho ukuthi ke uKenosi ke unomyeni. Guys, last season uGumede ubaba kaSabelo samncwaba washona evibe kathi kunomlilo washona ke wangcatshwa. Jiki angazi noma bayiplanile before or bacabange after sebeyibulela icharacter kaGumede ukuthi no man uGumede akabuyi. So guys, uGumede is coming back as uhusband kaKenosi. And ke guys, after ke uSabelo etholile ukuthi ke uKenosi no husband uye waqala ke ukumlandelela bathi ke uSabelo follows uKenosi to a hotel where devastating betrayal awaits behind a closed door on Friday, but uSabelo comes face to face with a familiar dead man. Wow guys, manje uthi uyabheka ukuthi ubani uhusband hayibo uGumede ubaba wami uGumede washona kahle la kwenzakalani. Mangabe uchecka ke guys the insuku ke elandelayo bathi ke the impossible becomes a reality when a man believed to be dead resurfaces, sending shockwaves through the Duma family. Gumede walks into the lion's den and stir up old wounds in his son and the Dumas. Basically a son cut ties with his father for good. So Sabelo uzogcina ke ezahlukanisa ke nobaba wakhe because of everything adlule kuyona. Zokhuluma guys uSabelo ukuthi kwalahlala nawo umqondo after ke ukushona ke kababa wakhe. So at this point he can't take it anymore. Lento nje eyenzekalayo nje izoletha obukhulu kobuhlungu nobuningi umhluku emndenini wakaduma naseyinganeni zakhe ke ayishiya ke wangayishiyela imali etheni lapha yana. So yeah guys, that is the drama ekhona ezokwenzeka kuleli viki nje azophela nje na next week or the whole month of ke uAugust ukuthi uGumede ubuyile wengafanga ukuthi kwenzekani basazosichazela ukuthi ke wavuka noma bangca umuntu engasiyena or kwenzekani, like we don't know because kwakuthiwa ushile. So possibility are kwathi isidumi sakhe mhlawumbe singavulwa ngoba ke ushe kakhulu asazi guys. But anyway, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.